How you guys doing? What I'm about to show you here is a 1978 C10 Squarebody. What we're going to do is we're going to bag this. We're also going to weld a C-notch in so it drops pretty far. Going to use a 5-gallon air tank, 2 bi-air compressors, and 4 SS7 bags. I'll turn the camera around, let you take a peek at it as it sits right now. The noise you hear is we're actually grinding the bed bolt mounts out. We've got a majority of them out except for 3 of them. So we got to grind the rest out. I'm going to turn this camera around. Okay, so right here you're looking at the engine compartment. The motor as it sits is bored 60 over, has double hump heads with a cam in it. So the engine compartment's pretty clean, but what I like to do, obviously these fender wells are going to have to come out. What I would like to do is shave the firewall, clean it up. I'll take you around the truck as it sits right now. Here's a side view. As you can tell, the front fender and door is not lined up right, so they didn't obviously didn't install that correctly. They've kind of connected each other, so that's going to be straightened out. All in all, it's pretty sturdy body. Interior shot of it as of now. I've got a lot of dash parts ordered, and with the C10s you do have the rocker issues. Cab corners are good on it, but we're gonna weld new floor pans in there on both sides. Both of them are kind of similar. If you see that slide hole, shouldn't be that big of a deal. Me, Kevin, and Josh is working on this. Me and Kevin's both fabricator and welders, so easy fix. Shut this door. But the bed's really straight, sturdy. So anyway, so just stay tuned and just follow the process. What we're doing here, you got a kind of before-after shot of the truck. Once again, we're going to do 2 bi-air compressors, 1 5-gallon tank, 4 SS7 airbags with a huge C-notch. So right now we're trying to remove the bed and get it up out of there. We're going to start on the rear end first. So yeah, if you want to follow along, hit like, subscribe. We're going to get pretty detailed with it. Also be painting the frame. Pressure wash it first. You want to get all that dirt and grease out of it before you lay paint to it. Most likely I'll be using the Eastwood paint. I've seen great reviews, works great. So just stay tuned, like, subscribe, keep on.